The last time my husband used this bar of soap was 214 days ago, and it's been sitting in my shower like this for 214 days. But this is not the story of a bar of soap. This is the story of a sailor. The last time you saw that sailor on my channel was in November. He was putting boxes in the crawl space in the attic 48 hours before he deployed on the USS Harry S. Truman. We've been able to FaceTime with him 3 times over the last 214 days. It is Tuesday, June 16th, 2020, and today we pick him up. 214 days has not gone by fast. And we've missed him very, very much. On this channel, I may have said that his work schedule prevents him from spending time decluttering with me. I did not say that he was deployed for operational safety reasons. And so now I'm super excited to share that he is coming home today and we are gonna go pick him up. I'm gonna go take my coffee out on the porch and look at the beach. A little too windy out there to sit out there and have coffee this morning. Hopefully that'll get better over the next couple of days so I can sit out there and have coffee in the morning with my man. My name is Erica Lucas and this is a departure of my normal sharing on this channel. I usually share about minimalism and decluttering. Here's a plot twist for this video today. My husband and the other 5,000 sailors on the ship did not have an internet connection at sea that had a suitable bandwidth for supporting videos. So Andy has not seen my channel since November. A lot of things have happened and I've grown in a lot of ways and I've changed in a lot of ways over the last 7 months and I'm so excited to share that with him. I have been telling him about the changes, but it's certainly not the same thing as living it. He was a part of the beginning of the minimalist path. The first 2.5 months he was home. We decluttered half the basement and the kitchen together. So we started this journey together. I just kept going while he was gone. So I'm excited to reintroduce him to the house and to our processes and how we intentionally live with less and the decisions that we make. He's very excited that I stopped shopping. First hello at a homecoming deployment is a big deal. The Navy usually does a lot of fanfare. They put up tents and they have sponsors. And there's 5,000 sailors that need to disembark from the USS Harry S. Truman today. And in line with the rest of the world, the pandemic has also affected this. It will not be the typical big party welcome home for the sailors today because of COVID-19. So there are some security protocols and some safety protocols that need to take place as part of our hello today. And we are going to pick him up, but we have to stay in the car. We have to wear masks and he has to wear a mask off the ship and greet us at the car. I've waited 214 days for that hug and so have my kids and so has he. And we are gonna have that first hug in the parking lot. They probably are gonna rush us along. This is supposed to be the last hello for us on a deployment. This is supposed to be my husband's last deployment. This is our 3rd deployment in the last couple of years and it's supposed to be the last one of his career. He's ready to retire and come home and be with us. And now that we have kids, it's so hard for him to be away for so long and he doesn't want to do it anymore and I don't blame him. So we're going to be switching to civilian life in a couple of years. Homecoming has a lot of things for us this week. Once we get him home and, kind of work on folding him into the house, it's always a process. It always takes weeks to reacclimate to each other and to the house and find our processes. And he's going to be working from home. So he's going to be home with us. So it's going to be a fun-filled June and July. as we try to figure out how to move. Andy finishes up his tour on the ship. We're gonna get ready to go to pick him up. My daughter's already dressed and ready. You look very pretty. Is that what you want to wear to go pick up Daddy today?
Yeah.
Are you excited to see Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you in your pajamas?
I'm in my pajamas. Yes, Mommy needs to get ready. We don't have to get him until 3 o'clock. We're about an hour out from leaving. It's 1 o'clock. And I'm gonna start to get myself ready. I got the kids ready. Kids are dressed and ready, bags packed. We're probably gonna end up waiting in the parking lot for 2 or 3 hours. I'm leaving the house an hour before he's supposed to step off the ship. Takes about 15 minutes to get to base from this house, and probably gonna take me about 30 minutes to figure out where I'm supposed to go. They have assigned parking for officers, so I gotta figure that out. Hopefully there's signs. We have been playing iPads, coloring books, activity books. This house actually is pretty kid friendly, and they had a bin of these Connect tracks upstairs in like a little playroom. They had Iron Man, they have puzzles, they have games, they have all kinds of things here. I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm happy. I can't wait, the anticipation. You know, I'm curling my hair and like doing it up nice, but it's pouring rain and it's super windy and it's gonna get messed up. What will be really interesting is what's on his face. One, I'm expecting a mask because he has to, but he doesn't have to have a mustache. And he's been growing a mustache all deployment. And I'm not a super fan of the mustache, but I am a fan of his face. And I will take his face any way it gets off that ship. Mustache or not.
So I'm gonna need light blue. Actually, I'm gonna need dark. Do that. And both pink. Daddy, yay, Daddy! I colored it.
Good job. I like your sign, Jackson. This looks good, honey.
It says, "Happy birthday to you too."
It says happy birthday to you too?
Yeah.
Can it say welcome home, Daddy?
Jackie. Yep. It's Jackson, Mommy, Daddy, Ranger. Daddy saying, "I'm home."
Oh, Daddy's saying I'm home.
Daddy jumping off.
Daddy jumping off the ship?
That's me saying, cheering that Daddy's home.
Oh, you're cheering that Daddy's home.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay, Brenda, where do you want to put your poster so he sees it when he gets here?
Come on, come on. Oh, Daddy.
I had to stop for gas and my hair got all messed up with the wind. Who's excited?
Daddy. Me.
Now we just wait for him to call. Or he's supposed to start walking off in a half hour. If it's raining like this, the poor guy's gonna be soaking wet. He's got it's a quarter-mile walk from the ship to the end of the pier to get out to these turnstiles here, so. Okay, so we're just gonna wait. Hey, you guys found those. Those are for the beach. They're water squirters for the beach.
I know. I want a sauce.
All right, so we're just gonna burn some time. What are you doing, Jack Jack?
Jackson, get the video.
Just stand on your brother's car seat. There you go. Can you see him? Rebecca left you a snack.
Did she?
Are you hungry?
Not for that.
Yay! Daddy's home!
Daddy, woo!
Lucas family, woo! Oh,
Who's happy?
oh, my hair's all silly.
Over the next couple of months, Andy and I are going to be sharing videos as we get into the crawl space, the attic, and the shed and declutter as a team over the next couple of months and really introduce Andy to what minimalism looks like in our house right now and have him acclimate to what we're doing. And I look forward to his input and his ideas, and I will share those on this channel along the way. Subscribe for more videos about living with less and minimalism, and to see what happens over the next couple of months as Andy gets to know minimalism.